Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can open newer Premiere Pro projects using an older version. So, if you go ahead and use a newer version of Premiere but decided to go ahead and edit some of your projects on an older version, there is a way to go ahead and do this. The first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through this website called downgrader.elements.tv. From here, you can just go ahead and select your project file. So in my case, it's going to be inside this specific hard drive right here. Select your file, and basically right after that, this will go ahead and download your project file, allowing it to be open in any Premiere Pro versions. So you can just go ahead and import this into the Premiere Pro that you want to use, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.